Hi folks, this is just a quick video to show you me making a little tidy thing for my sewing machine. Just to keep things tidy and keep them at hand so that I don't lose track of what I'm doing when I'm sewing. So I challenged myself to see if I could make something out of nothing. So a plastic box and some nice material, sort of a sewing theme, and trying out things that I'd not used before, like my buttonhole thing for my sewing machine. Figured out how to use that, so that was cool, and quite enjoyed it. And you can see the result. I've now got a little tidy, removable tidy for my sewing machine. Cool. If you enjoy, you know what to do. Bye. Yeah, so I started with some bits and pieces and some pretty nice material with this measuring tape theme. Didn't have a very big piece, but just about enough to do this. Measuring things off, make sure they're the right size. With a bit left over to do the ties. So the idea would be that the material covers the box. So with some fabric glue, I applied the glue and then put the box into the sort of sleeve that I'd made. Pressed it down, tied down the corners with glue and some stitching. Trying it in place there, making sure that it would hold everything I needed. And then I had to make the ties, narrow ties, turning them inside out, ironing them down, make them nice and flat, and then I had to figure out how to use this buttonhole foot on my new sewing machine. So that was all very high tech and good to learn how to do that. And stitching on the buttons in the right places, and trying it on the sewing machine in between times to make sure that the positioning was right. And the final article, you can see it's hanging from the handle. Perfect.